So I've been working on new music. You guys will see those as I post. I decided to just keep all my music in one place for now. And once my project is complete, that will be on all streaming platforms, which is coming out soon. But yeah, sometimes I just want to like post a little song, post a little snippet, a preview of like the vibes that are to come. So you guys are gonna see those as well. I'll link a page to all my music. You guys can add them. What is gonna be my tip for today is to stay present. Don't get too far ahead of yourself. Don't stress, you know, stay present, love each other, hug each other, kiss each other. We are all in this thing called life together. So I think it's just so important that we love each other. That's my tip. I'm about to get ready to go to the studio. My last video is waiting for this package to come. My gloss that I usually get is literally like $1. This gloss was like 40. So I had to really see it. Like, what's so good about this? It's called Dior Backstage. Dior Addict Color Awakening Nourishing Glossy Lip Oil. I also got a white pencil liner. I feel like I have to fully remove what I have on so we can really see what it's giving. Oh, wet ass mouth. Okay. So let's start off with the lip glow in Mahogany. I really like the bottle. It's so big and soft. Ooh. And it smells really good. So happy you guys today. I'm not like rushing. I can actually take my time and really show you guys my real makeup routine that is like my preference. My best friend, she got me this. It's so cute. The last one I was wearing was a rose quartz Pinga, and which I loved it, but like it would just attract too much comments and attention from people when I wasn't wearing it to get attention or anything. I was just wearing it because I liked to wear it, and like the meaning behind it is super nice and I liked it, but I was just like, you know what, it's not an everyday thing. Let's say that. Anyways, back to what I was doing. So when I do my makeup, or really whenever like I wash my face or whatever, I try to put on some tea tree oil. Honestly, any skin or face oil, I just try to put some oil on my skin because, you know, it's good for your skin to put on. It really just keeps your face very hydrated. I like to run it through my brows, you know. I also love to use this ginseng eye cream to brighten and depuff your eyes. So now we're getting into the brows. I'm gonna go ahead and pluck them a little, which is painful. Maybe I just need to get a razor to do my brows. We're gonna start just filling them in ever so slightly with Anastasia. I don't know my outfit, so I guess I'll do like a really more natural type of look to make sure that whatever I wear, my makeup will kind of go with it. More toned down colors. So, ooh, and I said natural and smack this baby on. Just spruce her out a little bit because it doesn't need to be that pungent. So I'm feeling to put some gloss on my lids today. I'm gonna remove a little bit of color because I still feel like it's giving a little more than we want. It's like wearing just the right amount. To continue, I'm gonna take my mascara and just... We're gonna try out this white eyeliner. This is just the Sephora brand. Okay, it's not bad. Do y'all ever meet people and be like, where do I know you from? Like, where have I met you? The eyes her whites. Lashes are simple, but they still really do so much for a look, I feel like. Yeah, I made this song the other day because I was upset, kind of. I was in my feelings. I don't think I'm gonna put it out just because it's a little personal. Does that make sense? Oof. Y'all remember that? Don't be insecure, girl. Own that ponytail. Work that up too. I just was always taught to be very confident with whatever you got going on. Boo. Like, you hold your head up high and you confident. Can't nobody tell you shit. Nobody could tell me nothing about myself that I don't already know about myself. And nobody could change my opinion I have about myself. This is my life, not yours. That's about it. Like, I went out with this girl who we used to be friends or whatever. And I'm like, yo, why is her vibe like that? Why is it looking like that? Like, I don't understand. Why your energy like that? Who did you in? Who got you fucked up? I don't know what it is about this tip. You guys. My camera died, y'all. Can y'all believe it? Me neither. But anyways, so I don't know if I'm gonna put more makeup on than this. I think maybe just some highlighter. I wanted to show you my outfit. These are my shoes. I love them so much. Like, they're super cute. They can, like, they dress up an outfit, or, you know, really brings it up a notch. Kicks it up a notch. I'm gonna go ahead and check on my camera now and finish up my makeup. So this is Pretty Rich. This one is called Catch Your Pearls. A little bit under here. It's to really pop the under eye. Like adding a little dimension. Just adding some liner. And then I really wanted to add in some highlighter. I don't like to use like the typical highlighter brush. I just feel like it's a little bit too all over your face. Use my finger, or I use like a little eyeshadow brush in the inner eye. Cupid's bow. Very just specific. Always have a makeup wipe nearby in case you mess up. You're giving me glowing goddess. You're giving me glittering gold. Diamonds. So you guys can see makeup look that's like glam but also chill. What I want to do is put a little bit more gloss on. I really just do like eye makeup, lip, no foundation, no powders, no concealers, no primers, no. My mom once told me no one should ever be able to tell your face from your neck. A difference in tone, texture, it just should not be. Always make sure you're taking care of your skin. That's why I put that oil on, just because, you know, oil just gives your face hydration and moisture, which is, I think, what's lacking for a lot of people. I use All Nighter by Urban Decay. When it says All Nighter, is not lying. Like, your makeup will stay and not move an inch. It just adds like that moisture, you guys. Moisture is all you need. Stay moisturized, stay hydrated. I'm trying to leave my house in an hour, so I have a whole hour of chill time. That's why I did my makeup. I did my makeup early so I could film it and when I have fresh. So I'm just gonna work on a song until my friend gets here, and then we're gonna head to the studio, and then we're going to a club here in LA. I had a great time getting ready with you guys. I'm so happy that you're here. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, turn on the post notifications, do everything. Bye.